This is The Issue of Cyberbullying and Its Effects on Individuals in Our Society by Lauren Huntley. Some issues of cyberbullying are the increasing numbers of anxiety and depression among adolescents, the choice that bystanders make after seeing harassing posts or comments. Do they report it, stick up for the person, or do they ignore it? Each person's digital footprint can be traced back to them at any given time. This short cartoon quickly shows how harmful social media can be for impressionable adolescents. Cyberbullying leads to increased numbers of anxiety and depression among children and teens. However, cyberbullying is not just limited to adolescents. Some adults bully online, which can lead to a decline in self-image or even confidence. Bullying can shape a person and how they perceive things. Cyberbullying is a big issue because most people can say things over social media they would not normally say to somebody directly. There are many people on social media who choose to keep scrolling if they see someone being bullied. As a society, we can try to end cyberbullying by having compassion for others and taking action against those who harass others online. We all have a digital footprint, and it can be traced down by anyone years later. Keeping that in mind, if someone cyberbullies and then decides to apply for a job, their future employer can see that they use harassing language towards others and decide to fire them or not hire them for the job. Here are some possible solutions. Having AI technology that can identify cyberbullying and then take down those posts or comments can help prevent harassment online. Social media platforms are working on creating AI technology to solve this problem. Filters that can detect harmful language also stop cyberbullying by not allowing specific language to be posted at all. Social media companies have the power to ban users from their platforms. By banning those who harass others, it will discourage anyone from cyberbullying because of fear they might be kicked off the site for good. By encouraging kids and teens to think before they post, we can create a society where individuals are less likely to cyberbully each other because they understand that their words can harm others. Another way to encourage others to stand up to cyberbullies and take action in schools by suspending other students who cyberbully others. Thank you for watching.